Most drivers believe a car battery should last 3 to 4 years. That's what most repair shops will tell you. But here's something shocking. Some car batteries are designed to last 7, even 8 years. The problem is that most drivers never experience that lifespan. Why? Because many batteries sold in stores are built with cheaper internal plates and lower-grade materials. Two batteries may look almost identical on the outside. Same size, same voltage, same label. But inside, the difference in construction can determine whether your battery dies in 2 years or lasts nearly a decade. Today, we're looking at 5 car batteries known for exceptional durability and long lifespan. These are batteries mechanics often recommend when drivers want reliability instead of constant replacements. And the battery at number 1 has shocked many drivers by lasting more than 7 years in real-world conditions. Let's start with number 5. Number 5. ACDelco Gold AGM. At number 5, we have the ACDelco Gold AGM battery. ACDelco is a well-known brand that has supplied parts for General Motors vehicles for decades. Many GM vehicles actually come from the factory with ACDelco components. The Gold AGM battery uses absorbent glass mat technology, commonly known as AM. Inside the battery, the electrolyte is absorbed into fiberglass mats rather than remaining as free liquid. This design offers several advantages. First, it prevents acid from sloshing around inside the battery. Second, it improves vibration resistance. And third, it allows the battery to deliver more stable power during engine starts. Cold starts are especially demanding for batteries. When temperatures drop, engine oil becomes thicker, and engines require much more power to turn over. That's why weak batteries often fail during winter. A mechanic in Illinois shared an example of a customer with a Chevrolet Impala who installed an ACDelco Gold AGM battery. Despite daily commuting and cold winters, the battery lasted just over 5 years, which is excellent for a mid-range battery. For drivers who want a strong balance between price and durability, the ACDelco Gold AGM is a solid option. Number 4. DieHard Platinum AGM. Coming in at number 4 is the DieHard Platinum AGM battery. The DieHard brand has been trusted by drivers since the 1960s, but the Platinum series represents their premium battery design. These batteries use reinforced internal plates and advanced separators that help reduce internal wear over time. One of the most important specifications for any battery is cold cranking amps, also known as CA. CA measures how much power a battery can deliver in extremely cold conditions. In freezing temperatures, engines can require 2 times more starting power than they do during warm weather. That's why many batteries fail during winter mornings. A mechanic in Minnesota explained that customers who upgraded from cheaper batteries to DieHard Platinum batteries often saw their battery lifespan increase from 3 years to nearly 6 years. For drivers living in colder climates, strong cold cranking performance can make a huge difference. Number 3. Interstate Mega-Tron Plus. At number 3, we have the Interstate Mega-Tron Plus battery. Interstate is one of the most widely used battery brands among repair shops and service centers across North America. In fact, many independent garages install Interstate batteries as their default replacement option. One reason mechanics trust Interstate batteries is their consistent manufacturing quality. The Mega-Tron Plus battery uses thicker internal plates designed to slow down corrosion. Corrosion is one of the main causes of battery failure. As batteries age, chemical reactions slowly damage the internal plates. Once enough corrosion develops, the battery loses its ability to hold a charge. Another major factor affecting battery life is heat. Most drivers believe cold weather kills batteries, but in reality, heat often causes even more damage. High temperatures accelerate internal chemical reactions and shorten battery lifespan. This is why batteries in hot regions like Texas, Arizona, and Nevada often fail earlier than those in cooler climates. A rideshare driver in Dallas reported using an Interstate Mega-Tron battery in his Toyota Camry. Despite driving nearly 50,000 miles per year, the battery lasted more than 5 years, which is impressive for such heavy usage. Number 2. Optima RedTop. At number 2, we have the Optima RedTop battery. Optima batteries are famous for their unique internal design. Instead of traditional flat battery plates, Optima uses spiral cell technology. Inside the battery are tightly wound spiral cells that improve structural strength and power delivery. This design dramatically improves resistance to vibration. And vibration is one of the most overlooked causes of battery failure. Vehicles that frequently travel on rough roads, off-road trails, or construction sites experience constant vibration. Over time, this vibration can damage traditional battery plates, but the spiral design of the Optima RedTop helps prevent that damage. For example, a Jeep owner in Colorado reported using an Optima RedTop battery while regularly driving off-road mountain trails. Despite the rough terrain and heavy vibration, the battery lasted almost 7 years before needing replacement. That level of durability is why Optima batteries are popular among truck owners, off-road drivers, and performance enthusiasts. Number 1. Odyssey Extreme Series. Taking the number 1 spot is the Odyssey Extreme Series battery. This battery is widely considered one of the most durable automotive batteries available today. The secret lies in its internal construction. Most standard batteries use lead alloy plates, but Odyssey batteries use pure lead plates. Pure lead plates allow the battery to pack more plate surface area into the same size battery case. More surface area means more power, faster recharging, and longer lifespan. Another advantage is improved resistance to internal corrosion. Because of this design, Odyssey batteries often last significantly longer than typical batteries. In some laboratory tests, Odyssey batteries have demonstrated lifespans of up to 10 years under controlled conditions. Real-world results are slightly lower, but many drivers still report 6 to 8 years of reliable service. A fleet manager in Arizona shared that several company trucks using Odyssey batteries lasted more than 7 years, even in extreme desert heat. Considering that most batteries struggle to survive 4 years in those conditions, that level of durability is remarkable. For drivers who want the maximum possible battery lifespan, the Odyssey Extreme Series is often considered one of the best choices available. Here's the truth many drivers don't realize. A car battery is not just a simple replacement part. It's a critical component that determines whether your car starts reliably every day, or leaves you stranded when you least expect it. Choosing a high-quality battery can mean the difference between replacing your battery every 3 years, or going nearly a decade without worrying about it. And when you consider the cost of roadside assistance, towing, and emergency replacements, investing in a better battery often saves money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, because in the next video, we're looking at 5 car engines mechanics say you should absolutely avoid. And one of them might already be sitting under the hood of your car.